Woolworth's pioneering concept of a 5-cent counter in grocery stores evolved into a highly successful retail model, inspiring countless similar ventures. This innovative approach resonated with consumers, fulfilling their desire for affordability. The success of the Lancaster store stemmed from its open merchandise displays, inviting customers to browse independently without assistance from clerks. This self-service model revolutionized the shopping experience, empowering customers like never before. By 1909, Woolworth's ambition reached international heights with the opening of a store in Liverpool, England, illustrating his dedication to expanding beyond American borders. This strategic move laid the groundwork for future global retail ventures. In 1913, Frank Woolworth established his executive offices in the iconic Woolworth Building in Manhattan. This architectural marvel, the tallest building in the world until 1930, underscored the company's prominence and innovation in retail. However, the company's pricing strategies encountered difficulties during the 1930s, prompting the introduction of a 20-cent line in 1932. By 1935, Woolworth eliminated price limits entirely, representing a significant shift in their business model. Additionally, Woolworth stores embraced lunch services as a key component of their business strategy. This adaptation reflected the company's responsiveness to changing customer preferences and market dynamics. The lunch counters evolved into social hubs, offering not only ice cream and meals but also fostering a sense of community. These spaces became vital for connecting diverse groups, particularly during the civil rights movement. In the face of rising competition from retailers like Walmart and Kmart in the 1960s, Woolworths responded by launching Woolco, a chain of larger stores aimed at retaining market relevance. This effort was intended to draw in a broader customer base. By its centennial celebration in 1979, Woolworth had claimed the title of the largest department store chain worldwide, demonstrating remarkable growth and dominance in the retail sector. Nevertheless, this success proved to be fleeting.